Hey guys, in this video we're going to take a look at how you can enable or disable lock camera for your video camera on the iPhone 13 or the iPhone 13 Pro. So first let's go back to the home screen by swiping up at the bottom of the screen. On the home screen, tap on settings, and in settings go down and tap on camera. Next, in camera, tap on record video and go down to the bottom and tap on lock camera switch to turn it on, or tap on the switch to turn it off. If it is on, then it do not automatically switch between cameras while recording video, so you can turn this one on or off, and that's it. Finally, you can swipe up to go back to the home screen. Thank you for watching this video. Please subscribe to my channel for more videos.